In control, we have one method to command VFD using push buttons. We know push button gives momentary signal which is in the form of pulse. Just to give you an idea, I have shared picture of push button and you can see the front view and back view of the push button. Once 3 wires control is enabled, momentary signal can command the VFD in our desirable direction. We can see the wiring diagram on the screen. One terminal we can use for forward and second for reverse, and third one we will program as 3 wire, which if connected with common will allow the motor to work. If disconnected, even momentarily, the motor will stop. To see practically, I will program IN65 as FX and IN66 as RX. And I will program IN69 as 3 wire. Now I will set frequency. Here on the right side, forward and reverse push buttons are normally open type and stop push button is normally closed type, same as shown in electrical diagram. I will press forward push button and you will see it ramped up in forward direction to the set frequency. And when I press reverse push button, the VFD will ramp motor in reverse direction. And finally, when stop push button is pressed, the motor stops.